I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to take you through a nice gentle routine for lower back pain if you're pregnant. Now this routine is basically all on your hands and knees, or elbows and knees, and lying side on the ground. So it's suitable for any stage of pregnancy. Just check the information below for the ACOG guidelines regarding safe exercise in pregnancy, and of course all the exercises should feel comfortable throughout. Just discontinue if you have any discomfort at any time. So let's get started. All you'll need is a mat at home. I've actually got a towel roll here too, a little towel. If your knees tend to get sore when you're kneeling, you can use something like a little towel or a cushion underneath your knees. I'll use that just to demonstrate today as well. But we're going to start coming through, taking your hands out in front of your body, keeping your elbows soft. If your wrists are sore, which they sometimes are during pregnancy, all these exercises can be done in this position as well if you're looking at, if you've got problems with carpal tunnel or sore wrists. So starting with your head down, let's take a couple of deep breaths, breathing in and breathing out slowly. Okay, let's start by breathing in and round the back, tilt the pelvis under, roll through, breathing in and breathing out. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, breathe out and tilt down. Don't hyperextend the back, just keep it generally flat. Now we can lift right up, lift the shoulder blades, middle of the shoulder blades up towards the ceiling, tuck the bottom under and breathe out, just coming through to flat. And we'll do that one more time at home, lifting up, rounding right up. That should feel quite comfortable. Now you wouldn't be doing these exercises if you have a disc issue, but for generalised discomfort, these exercises are really nice. Now we're going to start here by taking one hip. So I'm going to go bring my right hip around to the side, towards my right shoulder, and back to the other side. Breathing in, and take it back again. Just slow and steady, breathing in to one side, hip across and back. So we're getting some nice side tilts through the spine here. In and back out and take a breather. Now we're going to slide the left hand through and underneath the body. Reach through and down, reach through as far as you can across. You'll feel that stretching down through your shoulder blade and into your lower back. Just gently these muscles stretch across through to the side of the back. And coming back up slowly. Remember the importance of relaxing the breath with these, breathing in and breathing out, and rotate through. Big stretch across. And come back up. And now just come back into resting down onto your forearms. Just bringing your bottom down towards your heels as far as it feels comfortable. Now lifting the bottom away from the heels, stretch the arms out and gently sink the armpits down towards the ground. Now you can have your knees apart if you're in the later stages of pregnancy so that bub can sink down, and just breathing out and relaxing there in that position. So you can see this gives a lovely stretch into the lower back and also into the bottom, and just take it as far back as it feels comfortable for your body. And now coming up, let's walk the hands around to the right side. So you've still got your heels and bottom in that same position, and now you're sinking the right armpit down towards the ground. You're going to feel this through the left side of your lower back and perhaps into your bottom, and just breathe out as you sink down, breathing in and breathing out. And now slowly walk the hands back around to the other side. This time we're stretching out the right side of the lower back by walking our hands around to the left, and again sinking the armpit down to the ground, breathing in and out into the stretch. And once more, breath in and out. And coming back. Now you can bring your hands back to center. If your shoulders are sore, just keep your elbows bent. And now slide your bottom right back down as far as it feels comfortable, so the bub is sinking down between your legs, and now you're getting a nice deep stretch in through the bottom, in through the lower back, And you can bring your head down and relax in that position, breathing in and breathing out. And one more stretch, breathing in and out. And let's now slowly walk the hands back up. We've got just a couple of stretches to go. How are you going at home? I hope they're feeling comfortable for your back. Now we're going to bring the right knee in, and I'm actually deliberately using the towel roll here so it's soft under my knee, lifting up and bringing the left leg forward. So walk that leg forward, and we're going to go into a lunge stretch here. So you stretch through the front of your hip. When you're pregnant, these muscles become very tight and they can tilt your pelvis, and they're very good. That tilted position is very good at causing back discomfort, lower back discomfort in particular. So you're breathing in, and as you breathe out, try and sink this hip down towards the ground. If it's too hard to lean on the ground, you could be leaning on a lounge or on an exercise ball in that position as well. I'm just using my hand there just to demonstrate. And let's slide back up. And we've got the last one of those to go. So that left leg comes back. Take the right leg forward and try and get a good distance between that front heel and the back knee. And again, lunging down, sinking the front of the hip down. And as crazy as it sounds, this is a great stretch to help the back. Breathing in and breathing out, tilt down. And once more, breathing in and breathing out, just tilt down. And coming back. And we're going to finish off lying on the ground now. So I'm going to use my little towel here as a pillow. You might have a cushion at home. But we're just coming down slowly onto one side. And we're going to finish off with a nice rotation stretch in this position. So lowering your body down slowly. Make sure that your head and neck are comfortably supported. And bring your arms both out in front. My knees are stacked on top of each other. And we're going to breathe in and breathe out and lift the arm and rotate across. So you're really opening up through your chest. I've hit the wall there, but you know what I mean here. You can stretch right back and really open up through your chest, but you're also getting a lovely rotation through your back. Come back through and breathing in. And we'll do that one more time, breathing in and breathing out. Take the arm right across, really open up. And come back to center. And remember that when you go to roll, to keep things safe, keep your knees together, coming over onto your back, and then you can repeat the same exercise on the other side if you like to. I'll allow you to do that now while you're finishing off this routine. So you can see we've gone through a nice little routine there of exercises suited to general lower back stiffness and discomfort. I really hope these exercises help you at home and help you through your pregnancy. Subscribe below if you'd like some more exercise videos from me. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.